Hi everyone. Today I am starting a new video on quadratic equations. Question 1, 2 and 3. From this video onwards, each video will be consisting of 3 questions to fasten our study. This is the first question, this is the second question and this is the third question. Nice. What is a quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is an equation whose highest degree is 2. Like here, the highest degree is 2. Here the highest degree is 2. Now this is highest degree. The highest degree is 2 here. Hence it's a quadratic equation and we have to find the roots. What's the roots? The roots are the values of the variable that is x here for which the equation satisfies. Okay. Now I am planning to continue with 4 chapters simultaneously. The first one was set as I have made a video on a day before yesterday on set Q1. I have been making a video on quadratic equation. After this I will someday I will start with sets and relations. Don't confuse with sets and relation and sets. These are 2 different chapters. Sets consist of question dedicated only to sets, while sets and relations contains questions of linking these 2 concepts, and then I will start PNC, the permutations and combinations. Leave that. Now let's start with the question, this one. Try it now. After you will try by pausing the video, then I will continue with the solution. It's a very good question for a competitive level. Let's start. This is we have to find the roots of the equation. What is b minus c x square plus c minus a x plus a minus b? It's clear, 100% clear that it will satisfy value 1 for x. It's 100% clear, because here if we put x, b minus c plus c minus a plus a minus b, it surely comes 0. Nothing to be done. Now the most interesting thing, if it is 1, then the other root can be easily found. First thing you must know, let the other root be alpha. Nice. You know the sum of roots. If you don't know this, let me write sum of roots. Sum of roots. We don't need sum of roots here, but let me tell you, it will be very important for other questions. Sum of roots is equals to minus b by a. What is b and what is a? This is the question appearing. What is b and what is a? B is the coefficient of x. Here b is this. B is the coefficient of x. A is the coefficient of x square. C is the constant. This is the most basic thing you must know for for starting with quadratic equation. Sum of roots is this. What is product of roots? Product of roots is, we need product of roots here. No, we don't need sum of roots at all, but I told you because it will be very important in my only upcoming questions. Sorry, here I have implemented T, but I have not used previous right. Yes. Product is, I am writing product of, it means product of roots, it's c by a, the most likely thing. The two things can be proved by Siddharacharya formula, which is minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a, plus minus, if you add this it will come minus b by a, if you multiply this it will come c by a. Nice. Now here product is c by a. What is c here in this question? A minus b. Very clear. A minus b. Nice. Now what is a here? B minus c. Now see, what is the product? Alpha into 1. If then product is alpha, alpha into 1 is alpha, and we have got the value of alpha by finding the product. Then the product is only the value of the other root. So easy question. B minus C. Very easy. Now B minus C x square plus C minus ax plus A minus B is equal to 0. This was the given equation. We have to find the roots of the equation. It was clear that the one root is 1. I thought the other to be alpha. Some we didn't use. Product came to be equals to C by A, which is B minus A minus B by B minus C. Alpha into 1 is alpha, and this is the find value of alpha. Hence one root is 1. Hence one root is 1 and the other root is A minus B and B minus C. Congratulations, those who have done the correct question. Let's move on to the second question. This is the second question. Here form an equation whose roots are this. I have written the roots upwards. Understand it a bit. Alpha is this, beta is this. Form an equation whose roots are this. We have to form an equation. This is also a simple question if you think it like that. You must know the rationalization of such. That's of course necessary thing. Try it out. After you try, I will give the solution. Pause the video and try it out. I am starting with the solution. Wait. This is now. Alpha is given this. Beta is given this. Beta is very much simplified. Let me start with value of alpha. Simplify the value of alpha. Let me do that. 1 by 10 minus root 72. Yes. So what is root 72? What is root 72? It is very clear that root 72 is nothing but 6 root 2. Beta is 1 by 10 plus 6 root 2. Alpha is 1 by 10 minus 6 root 2. Then the question seems very light, but it is a little calculative, I think. See, while rationalizing this, in the numerator it comes 10 minus 6 root 2. 10 plus 6 root 2, sorry, here it will become 10 plus 6 root 2. On multiplying 10 plus 6 root 2 on numerator and denominator, we get this. If you multiply 10 minus 6 root 2 into 10 plus 6 root 2, A minus B into A plus B, it comes to be equals to 100 minus 72, it is 28. Nice. Let's find the value of beta. Beta, no, I will not find out like this. I will not show such steps. I will direct write 10 minus 6 root 2. You must calculate this yourself. Anything. 10 minus 6 root 2. I will explain the process. 10 minus 6 root 2 by 10 plus 6 root 2 into 10 minus 6 root 2 again. A plus B into A minus B, which comes to be equals to 28. This is the value. Now alpha we have got, beta we have got by rationalizing. What is alpha plus beta? Simply add the thing. See. If we add it, 6 root 2, 6 root 2 cancels. It comes to be equals to 20 by 28. Yes, 20 by 28. Yes, 20 by 28. It is, what is it? 5 by 7. Right? Yes, dividing by 4. This is the thing. 5 by 7. Now alpha beta. What is alpha beta? Now alpha beta. Alpha beta is equals to, what is it? Multiply it. It will come to be equals to multiply 10 plus 6 root 2 into 10 minus 6 root 2, which is equals to 28. 28 by 1 by 28. Yes, 1 by 28. Nice thing. Alpha beta, alpha plus beta got. Now what is the how to form an equation if two roots is given? This is the general equation for if two roots are alpha and beta. X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. This is a general form of equation. Alpha beta. Now putting values here, we get x square minus 5 x by 7 x by 7 and alpha beta is 1 by 28 is equals to 0. We have to give that's the polynomial, or else you have to get the equation, which is 28 here equals to 0, here equals to 0, here also equals to 0. This is the final answer. Let me wait, what happened? Yes. This is the thing. Alpha we got, alpha is given, beta is given. We have to form a equation. I simplified alpha to this. Simplified beta to this. This is the scribbling I am doing. Alpha plus beta is this. Alpha beta is this. Then I form the equation. A sort of scribbling. Moving on to a third question. This is the question: find the integral values of k for which k minus 2x square plus 2k minus 12x plus 2 is equals to 0. Has no roots. Well, what is the condition for having no real roots? First you have to use the discriminant. What is the discriminant? It is b square minus 4ac. What is the discriminant? It is b square minus 4ac. If this discriminant is less than 0, then both of the roots will be complex. That is not real. What is the discriminant in this question? B square minus 4 into a into c. Let me write it down. B square is 4, k minus 12 whole square is k square, minus 24k, 24k, here is k, plus 144. Yes, common. Multiply, squaring. Now b square minus 4ac is this is the condition I am writing here. B square minus 4ac is less than 0. Right? So the b square is less than 4ac. I can write this as 4ac. So here also I can write b square is less than 4 into k minus 12 minus 12 into 2. into 2. 4 cancels. Here it will be k square as it is. Here it is minus 24k. Here it will again minus 2k. It will be minus 26k. Minus 26k. Here it is plus 144. Here it will come another 24. It will be plus 168. Plus 168 is less than 0. Yes, it is less than 0. See, there. Here I am writing the implies. No. Factorize this. You may factorize. Yes, factorize is the only option. Now factorize C. Middle term factorization. I am directly here. It will be to 14 and 12. I am writing this. Oh, sorry, I have written 2 there. So it can be 2 here. Let me erase that. Erase it. Is it? That doesn't response. Yes. Here it will be 26, k minus 12 and k minus 14. Is less than 0. You must know wavy curve also for this. What is wavy curve method says? It's nothing but a method to make problems easier. Here if you take is equal to 0, this will be equal to 0, k's value will be 12 and 14, right? Then we plot 12 and 14 in a number line. Wavy curve method, one thing you must know, I think is the main thing. Always for wavy curve method to be applied, the value coefficient of the variable in every term must be 1. Nothing else. Minus 1 cannot be also. Everything must be 1. Now for wavy curve, we have to take this curve from upwards, touching to 14. Now see in 14 what is the power. Power is 1. If it is odd, move it to the other side. Then come up to 12. For this also again odd. Then change the sign. Now we have to check where when it is less than 0, this part. This part it is less than 0. Right? This part it is less than 0. Then I can write k belongs to let me see, k belongs to from open interval 12, because it is less than sign, not less than equals to. If less than equals to, then closed interval 12 to closed interval 14, but it is open interval 12 to open interval 14. Open interval is represented by closed bracket, open first bracket, square circle brackets. Now find the integral values of k. This is the thing we have to find. Between 12 and 14, 12 is not included, 14 is not included. Only one integral value of k is possible, that is 13, and this is the final answer. This is the final answer. Now, we were given this equation, and we are told that we had no real roots. We simply use the d less than 0 method. It is d. b square minus 4ac is d. This method I used. Simplifying, we got this. Used wavy curve method to find this value to be between 12 and 14. From the interval, found out the answer by telling that it is the integral values. If it were told about rational values, it will be this. This is the final. It would be the final answer. But now the final answer is this. Thank you. Thank you. I am ending the video.